All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when or where you're logging in from. My name is Andreas Carter. I'm here to actually explain and show you the brand new Bitcoin Cash program. This is the first and only one of its kind, and it's gaining huge momentum all over the world. In just a few days, there's several hundred people joining it, and more is coming in by the minute. Now, this is one of the most, we can say, perfectly programs I've ever seen. And I'm just briefly going to walk you through it right now, just so you get a basic understanding of it, and more videos will come. Now, this is the main page, bchrevolution.com. Go in here, have a read about it. You can see here how it works, their mission, vision, how it's done, everything, the highlights of it. And what I think is the best about this program, after all, it's all automatic. You see here the BTC Revolution fully auto buy, fully auto re-entry, re-upgrade, or auto upgrade and auto withdraw system. There's nothing you need to do manually except setting up your account and doing that first donation of only 0.003 Bitcoin Cash. That's about $8 or $9 to start this program, and it's more or less nothing compared to what you can earn. Now, I'm just going to show you the different types here. You have terms and conditions, support, frequently asked questions, how it works. You have your back office, signing out, of course, exchanger, and about us. This is a very, very transparent project, very transparent owners. And well, the most important thing is that I want to explain to you now is how the whole system works. So we're going to go there right away. We're going to try to keep this quick. I'm just going to update the screen a little bit. So now the bchrevolution.com is unique in its own way. Now all you need is actually 0.003 Bitcoin Cash to start, and you're on your way to earning more or less unlimited with Bitcoin Cash. Now we have a 2x4 matrix. It's fully automated. It's spillover, it's re-entries, it's automated upgrades, automated donations, automated payouts. Everything is set by the system. You don't have to do anything except setting up your account, doing that first donation of 0.003 BCH, and then of course you need to refer a little bit. Now we're going to go through the levels and how you actually make money on this. So we all start out at level 1. Now that means when you have created your account, you need to upgrade it. That means you're donating 0.003 Bitcoin Cash to your upline level 1. Now, when you have done this, you have your account active, your referral link will be working, and you can now share this with anybody, anywhere in the whole wide world. This is a worldwide business. Now, as a level 1, since we're 2x4 matrix, you can have 2 people on your first line, 4 people on your second line, 8 people on your third line, and 16 people on your fourth line. Now, on your first line, you will have 2 people that will be donating 0.003 Bitcoin Cash to you. That equals 0.006, and out of this 0.006, they will take 0.005 and auto move you to the level 2. That means you're now a gold. Now, the profit of 0.001 will be automatically sent to your wallet. Now, as a level 2, you will now receive from the 4 people on your second line 0.005, which equals to 0.02 Bitcoin Cash. Now, from this, they will take 0.014 and automatically move you up to level 3 as a crystal. You will then have 0.006 left, and they will take 0.003 to give you a re-entry into level 1. That means you're getting 1 new position in the matrix, which will also be earning you Bitcoin Cash. Now, the remaining profit of 0.003 will be automatically sent to your Bitcoin Cash wallet. Now we're already at level 3, and here you will receive from 8 people 0.014 Bitcoin Cash, which equals 0.112. Now, 0.07 will be used to auto move you to level 4 as a master. This is the final level. Now, your remaining then is 0.042. From this, they will take 0.012 and give you 4 new positions. That's re-entries to level 1. So now you actually have 4 new positions spread out in the matrix that will start from the beginning, and all will earn you more Bitcoin Cash. Now the remaining profit of 0.03 Bitcoin Cash will be automatically sent to your wallet. And now you're working the last and the final level, more or less. Now here you will actually receive from 16 people 0.07 Bitcoin Cash, which equals to 1.12 Bitcoin Cash. They will take 0.12 and give you re-entry to level 1, 40 positions. That means you have 40 new positions in the matrix, all from level 1, all receiving spillover, all receiving donations, all making you Bitcoin Cash. Now this is unbelievable. Now the remaining profit of 1 Bitcoin Cash will be automatically sent to your wallet, and then the cycle is complete. And you can start a new cycle, or the new cycle is already started because you already got a re-entry on level 2, and you already got re-entries for positions on level 3, and you now have 40 more re-entries. That's a total of 45 re-entries, or 45 new positions in the matrix. And as I said, this is a spillover matrix. So everybody working, everybody bringing in people, all of these positions will be making donations, being upgraded, making more donations, and they will complete their own cycle. And each position will give you another Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, as well as another new 45 positions into the matrix. So you will keep multiply your earnings. You take 1 new position from every second level from your previous position's profits. You will take 4 new positions from every third level from your previous position profits, and then 40 new positions from every fourth level from your previous position profits. That means that whenever a position is reaching a new level, you will always receive a new position into the matrix. So this just goes on and on and on and on. And due to the fact that this is automatic, the whole system is automatic, it will not stop. The only way this will stop if people stop recruiting. So if everybody just does their work, like bringing in 2 people, that's all you need actually. Of course, I recommend to bring in more, but bring in 2 people, teach them to duplicate and bring in 2, teach them to duplicate and bring in 2 again. And this will go on and on and on, and you will earn multiple Bitcoin Cash. Now that's what it's all about. This system is amazing. It's strictly peer-to-peer donations, guys. Admin and the site has nothing to do with any payments. No money is going to them. It goes directly to the upline, or the upline level 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now this is one of the, as I said, one of, if not the best program I've seen out there. And in just a few days, people are making a lot of Bitcoin Cash already. So guys, do not delay. Get into this as soon as possible. It's only 0.003 Bitcoin Cash to start, and that's the only payment you will ever have to do from your personal wallet. Everything else is done automatically by donations, upgrading, re-entries, and spillover. So guys, this is a fantastic program. I hope you got a little bit better understanding of how it works. I will come up with more videos, so we'll explain exactly how we are getting paid, how the levels and upline levels are getting paid, the downline levels are getting in. But this will come in a few days. Now take this opportunity and share it with the world, guys. This is amazing. Everybody will win. Everybody upgrades, everybody donates, everybody wins, and everybody earns Bitcoin Cash. It's simply amazing. So guys, this was the shortest introduction I ever done, but it's probably one of the best one as well. Now you know what to do. Set up your account, get back to the person who referred you to this program or showed you this video, ask for their referral link, set it up, do that first donation of 0.003, and you're off. You're off to making loads of Bitcoin Cash. We started only a few days ago. There's less than 300 people in, and it will be thousands, if not even hundreds of thousands. How many you will have in your matrix team, that's completely up to you. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.